Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video I'd like to show you how to install the smoke alarm. Basically this one is a Fire Angel Pro, a smoke alarm. So I'm going to show you how to install it onto the ceiling, how to wire it and interconnect it with another smoke alarm. The consumer unit, as you see, the smoke alarm's got its own dedicated circuit and it's on the 6 amp circuit breaker. So first we need to open the smoke alarm to get to the terminals. So as you see, here is a small clip. Just pull it with a screwdriver. Then the terminals are hidden here. So another help with the screwdriver. And here are the terminals. Here are the screws for the terminals. First thing, when you screw this to the ceiling, obviously all the wires come through this hole into these terminals. So the first one, you have to connect it from the consumer unit to the first smoke alarm, and you use 1mm cable, twin and earth. So that's how it should look. So blue wire neutral to neutral terminal, brown wire live to live terminal, and the earthing wire to earthing terminal here. So this terminal with letter I on it just stays for interconnection with another smoke alarm. So now if you want to interconnect this smoke alarm with another one the same, so then you use 3-core and earth 1mm cable. It looks like this. The colors are a bit different. You put it into the same terminals along with these wires. And I'm going to show you how. So that's how it should look. Blue and grey to neutral terminal, then black to interconnection terminal, 2 browns to the line terminal, and earthing to earthing terminal. And also on the grey wire you need to put blue sleeve or blue tape on it, so to indicate that this is neutral. And obviously on the other end of the 3-core and earth cable you connect another smoke alarm exactly in the same way as here. So basically grey to neutral, black to interconnection, brown to live, and earth to earthing terminal. So first, here is the neutral terminal, so we put the blue one and the grey wire. Then next one is the interlink, so we put only the black wire. Then we've got the live terminal, so we put both brown wires there. And the last one is the earthing terminal, so we put 2 earthing wires. Now we need to put this cover back. So just when you install the smoke alarms, you need to remember that this should be on every floor, usually in a corridor, somewhere in the middle of the ceiling. The distance from the wall to the smoke alarm should be not less than 30 centimeters, and the same from the nearest light to the smoke alarm. In the kitchen you usually install the heat alarms. The green light indicates that this is connected to the mains already, and you need to test it every week, basically by pressing the middle button like so. And that's it for today. I hope I give you enough information so you can do it on your own. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.